Hello, sir. Pleased to meet you. What's your name, please?
Munyaradzi Jeche.
Okay. And you're already sculpting for a long time, or?
Yeah, for 7 years now.
7 years now?
Yes.
And you have any special objects you're sculpting, or?
Yes. I also sculpted on the piece which is called the Only Way to Heaven.
Okay.
Yeah.
And can you describe us that piece for us? How you came to it?
This is the entrance.
Yeah?
The way where people they go to heaven, then to come out to the.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you mean saying that this is the way to heaven?
Yes. Yeah.
For people in general, or?
Yeah, for people in general.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And how came you to that idea? Can you try to explain it to me?
This idea it came from, I started to think about how people they go to heaven, and
yeah.
a lot of things which I get complicated on that issue. Then that's how I started to work on this piece.
Aha, okay. Yeah. Interesting.
Yeah.
Yes. And you only sculpt pieces like this, or you're also trying other forms?
Yeah, I try some other forms, like those seashells and like those seashells and fishes.
Yeah. So
well, yeah.
Things from the ocean.
Yes.
Yeah. And you prefer the shape as we are looking at now?
Yes, mostly.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. We hope to see more of you, because you're making beautiful pieces, I think.
Yes, I hope so.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you very much.
All right. Bye-bye.
Yeah.